So welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can change your email address in your Fiverr account. So to do that, you need to be in your dashboard in the beginning, and now just go ahead and tap on your profile picture over here that has an active status right here. Once you tap on it, search for settings. You can see profile, refer a friend, and finally settings. Just tap on it. You can see the option that says email right here. So to change your email, you just need to type a new email. As you can see, you don't really have to tap on edit option. You can just directly type in a new email and just tap on save changes, and you'll be able to change your email address in your Fiverr account. So guys, that's how you change your email address in your Fiverr account. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. See you again next time. Thank you for watching.